everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So if you've been following me so far, then you will know that I'm finally back from 2 weeks of moving in. It's been crazy, but we are finally here, and as you can see, or maybe if you've seen my last video, I have a new background. Here it is. It's just for teaching because you guys may know that I am an online English teacher. So anyways, getting down to business, I'm actually posting 2 videos this week, and I hope that you guys have seen my last one, but if you haven't, then I'm going to put in the iCards above. So I'm actually doing a giveaway, and all of that information is in my other video, so please check it out. So anyways, I'm super excited to be here, but unfortunately I don't have a lot of time this week. We are still settling in, still getting back into working and all of this, so it's been crazy. But I wanted to do something for this week, and I needed to write some Penpal letters, so you guys have guessed it, I am doing a Penpal video this week, just how to make what's called a flip book. Now, the ones I've seen on YouTube are normally made with envelopes, and I think I'm going to do kind of a combination of an envelope card thing, because I think that could be really cool. I'm kind of taking inspiration from like a junk journal, like just taking different things and putting them together, but it's not really junk. But anyways, I'm super excited to show it to you guys, so as always, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and your guys' subscriptions mean so much to me. And also, if you have any ideas, comments, or suggestions, or you just want to show me your work, or maybe you tried this craft and you want to show me, just put it in the comments below, and I'm so excited to hear from you guys. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so I started out by choosing some cards and envelopes. Unfortunately, I only had white envelopes. In the future, I might make my own envelopes. I have showed this in a video before, so if you haven't seen it, I will link in the iCards above. But since I am low on time, I'm just going to use these white envelopes. So I picked out these 3 cards. I have some unicorns, space with constellations, and this sky. My pen pal, she likes Harry Potter, so I thought I could go with something kind of mystical. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these. I also picked 3 envelopes, but I'm going to use some, and I'm just going to start by kind of compiling some of them. So I'm going to start with the constellation. I'm going to put hot glue on this little tab to make it kind of a hinge, and then I'm going to put the back of the card on the glue. It does overhang a little, so if that bothers you, you might want to cut it off, but I think it's going to be okay for me. I don't really think it has to be perfect. So now we have a little pocket. So then I'm going to put a card on the other side, and since I want to cover up this, I'm actually going to use that part as the hinge and cover it up, so it's going to look like this. Here's the front cover, the envelope, the middle, and then it would be like that with the back cover. I saw online how people made envelope ones, and they used a tape gun, but I thought hot glue would just be fine. I'm definitely going to put another envelope in there, so what I think I'm going to do is just hot glue a line. I'm going to stick my envelope in just like that, and then I'm going to close it. Alright, so let's see it so far. We have pocket, and then I'm going to actually bend this so that way it's a little bit more sturdy. That's where we put the envelope in, so it just folds like that. Then we have a hinged envelope just like that. Then I'm going to fold it again on the other side. That's so that way that envelope doesn't fall out. It's going to help it, I think. And then there's the back cover. So I actually think I'm going to stop there because I think that's a lot of things to use and to decorate. So if I need another one, I'll add this one. Alright everyone, so the first thing I did was write on all of the available surfaces. That's mostly the inside of the cards and the back of the first envelope. But well, I guess it's technically the front of the first envelope, but on the back where the pocket is, went ahead and drew this, which is, if you're a Harry Potter fan, Raven, which stands for Ravenclaw. It's the Ravenclaw colors. That's because I'm a Ravenclaw. Once I know more about my pen pal and maybe what house she is, then I can do something in the theme for her. So I thought it's still cute though. So I'm just gonna skip the pages with stuff on them because that's personal. So we have this envelope as well, but I haven't done anything to it. I'm probably not going to decorate this side because I'll just put some washi tape there, and I've already written on the other two sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is put stuff in the pockets. I started by making this little tiny envelope. I have showed how to make this envelope before on one of my other videos, so you guys can check out those if you want. And I also found these little sparkly horses. They are not unicorn, but they are foil horses, and I thought it would kind of match that theme we got going on. So I wanted to put those in there. Just kind of wanted this little magical theme, and I will put some tape on it to keep it closed. So I will stick that in there, as well as I have this little unicorn paper. Just thought it was a cute little accessory. And I also used this hole punch to hole punch a whole bunch of different kinds of paper to make little star confetti. I like to add things like this because the pen pal, if they like to craft, or they can use it for their pen pal letters, just to, I mean, it's just a little thing that they can add for decoration. So then I actually had these little sticky notes, just a couple of each. There's Hogwarts, and then this one says Lumos Maxima. So those will go in the other envelope. And as you can see, I have this little bookmark which says Gryffindor. It is a bit heavy, so it might cost a little bit more. So just be aware if you put something heavy that, oh, I don't think that's even gonna fit. I guess I should have measured that beforehand. Well, if it doesn't fit in the actual envelope, the envelope I ended up putting this card in, then I might not add it, unfortunately. Might have to be saved for a later date. So then I'm gonna add this little button. I think I had it from like Valentine's Day or something. It has a little dragon on it, and I just thought the dragon might be cute for theme since we're doing kind of a magical theme. And then I will close that, and I will probably just use some washi tape. Got a whole little thing here. I got this from Wish. I think I've talked about it before. Maybe use this blue with the stars. And it's pretty simple. Like, I didn't do like a ton of things in there, but I'm still happy with how it came out, and I hope that it's magical for them and that they like it. I don't always have the opportunity to do something really grand with every single pen pal letter that I do, but I am happy for when I do get to do something nice for my pen pals. Hey guys, and thanks for making it to the end of my video. I was so happy to be able to go through this with you. I'm sorry it's such a short video. I don't have time to do a really long video this week because I'm still getting settled in, but I was happy to do this for you guys. And I also wanted to show a variation. So I made this one, has some little flowers in the front. Those will get a bit squished by the envelope, but I hope that it still makes it. So yeah, it's the same concept, and I did a flower theme. Just had this and also these. This came in one box, like with a whole bunch of different kinds of cards. I got it from, I think, Hobby Lobby, but I'm actually pretty sure I've seen these at Michael's too, so it was one or the other. And yeah, it comes with like a whole set. This set was like more of a night theme, and this set was kind of a whimsical color theme. But I did really like this. I thought it looked very flowery, so I went with a flower theme. I think, you know, I just tried to decide something that I think my pen pal might like and then go from there. So just like the other one, I have written in the front, and I drew a little flower, put some little stickers. So inside this one, I have a tiny coloring page. I have a small sticker sheet, some little confetti, and also a little tiny thing of stickers that just have some little flower stickers. So it just really depends on what I have in the theme. I would have liked to do more for the Harry Potter theme and do some little accents, but it's hard when I don't know the pen pal that well. Once I get to know them, I feel like I have a lot more ideas of what they like. So I'm excited to get to know that pen pal so that way I can do some nice things for her as well. And so I have this, and of course another little pocket. I made a little bookmark. I also made these little flowers I cut the flowers out of decorative paper, then I just used hot glue and glued on some little buttons. They can use it for their own Penpal letters or for scrapbooking or anything that they want. Back, I just drew a flower, and then yeah, that's the end. So I'm gonna put a poll at the top, so just tell me which one you like the best, and if you make any, I would love to see those. And I thank you guys so much for watching my video. So as always, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I would love to hear your comments, ideas, suggestions, or if you just want to show me your work, I would love to see that as well. So don't be afraid to comment below my video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!